Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create new Gmail account on Android. Here are the steps to create a new Gmail account on your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap Add Account. Select Google from the list of account types. Tap Create Account at the bottom of the sign-in screen. Choose for myself or personal use. Here, enter your first name and last name. Then tap Next. Enter your birth date and gender. Then tap Next. Now, create a unique Gmail address or choose from the pre-existing ones. Click on it, then tap on Next. Create your own password, then hit Next. Agree to the terms and conditions to complete setup. Your new Gmail account will now be added and ready to use. Tip: you can manage or switch between Gmail accounts using the Gmail app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.